Our Fraser here's video wanted to just drop a quick training on how to create an image of your perfect avatar. And the reason that is important is because it allows you to talk to a specific person in your marketing so it doesn't seem so spammy and all over the place. So, using the AI tools at TJ Holloway's six figure blueprint, this right here. And I forget where exactly it was. Hang on. What the heck was it? Oh, yeah, duh. Right in front of my face. Build my ideal customer. So basically, you click build my ideal customer, and I just want to click on this to basically show you what I've done. And on the left here, you're going to get a bunch of questions. Let me move my screen over so you can see it. Bunch of questions, pain points. How does this problem affect your life? What does your prospect fear? Just a bunch of questions. Answer all those questions, and the prompt will basically kind of spit you out some things that apply to your perfect customer. And again, this is important because all of your posts on social media, all of your emails, all of your videos should be to this person. And that way, when that perfect customer, the perfect person you want to work with, comes across this information, they'll be like, yes, you're singing my tune. So, what I simply done was just take the output from the brand builder software. Again, you get the software by joining TJ Holloway's six figure blueprint. It's on a massive sale until the first of the year. And even after the first year, I highly recommend grabbing it because these are the types of tools you have. So what I did was I copied the prompt. I came over here to Gemini, or you can use Chat GPT. Chat GPT was down at this point in time, so I just went to Gemini. I went to Gemini, which is free, and what I simply typed is, can you create an AI version of my perfect customer for me? I'm going to input a prompt, and can you create a male and a female version? Can you give them names and perhaps an image? After I input the prompt, the chat said yes, some stuff. And so what I simply did was paste what I got at that other place. So basically, once it had a bunch of stuff, I came over here and pasted the information, and then basically it's right here, and it has the little dots right there, and I'm gonna just click down there so you can see. Talks about their goals, false beliefs, what they want to do, what are they thinking. You get the point. And so it came down here and it spit out two customers, a male version and a female version. Mark Davis, age 34. He works in Chicago. He works 60 hours a week. He's constantly stressed. He feels guilty about missing the sun. You get the point. Same thing for the female customer. Age 28. She's a teacher. She's in Los Angeles, overwhelmed by demands. She wants to achieve financial independence. But you get the point. So what I did was I came back over here to my brand builder. Again, you get access to the software free for a year, joining TJ Holloway's six figure blueprint. And I'll put that link below the video. But what I did was I come back here and I went to, did I go to realistic? Yeah, I went to realistic AI images bot. And what I simply did was I took the male version and I basically copied that, came over here, and down here for this picture right here, I posted in that prompt for that information. Alexa, stop. I pasted that prompt in, and this is the person that it gave me. So basically, all of those details went into creating this prompt, and so now I have a visual representation of the guy I'm talking to. And that makes your marketing, it just makes it more personal when you actually have a face to talk to. And I know it sounds crazy, but I did it twice. That's the first version. And the funny thing is they look pretty much exactly the same, the male version. But the thing is, a lot of companies do this. They have, representation. So I guess my guy's name is Mark. That's what Gemini said. I think he looks like a Mark, about my age, and he's in my same situation, has the same issues, and he's my perfect customer. I don't want to work with, no offense, somebody in their 20s. there's just a big disconnect. I'm 43. This guy's what, 35, closer in age. You get the point, and your marketing just makes more sense for that person, and he will resonate with my message. And again, so I did a male and a female version. So what I did is went to Gemini, went down here, took the female version, Sarah Martinez, copied all the stuff, came over there, pasted it, and this is what the AI gave me. It gave me a picture of her, and it gave me a picture of her. So the point is, you pull up these pictures, even while doing this video, I'm envisioning speaking to this person who's having the same issues that I'm having, crafting my message in a way that they would receive it, and it just makes the marketing a bit smoother. If that makes sense. So that being said, hopefully you got some good value out of this. And again, you can create hundreds of these images. And with the software that I'm using, it just blends it all together. So that being said, I'm going to leave a link to my faceless website below. Go ahead and click on it, opt in, and you'll get information about how you can get access to the same software. It's basically a one-stop shop, and that's simply how you can create your perfect avatar, craft all your messages to them, get more responsiveness from your emails, from your social media posts. You get it. Name's Rob Frazier. Links in the description. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.